This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken lollipop like restaurant step by step. First, choose fresh mid-joint drumettes and prepare 10 pieces by trimming and pushing meat to form a clean lollipop. Marinate with ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, and salt for at least 30 minutes. Coat with seasoned flour and deep fry at 180 degrees C until golden and cooked through. Serve hot with a tangy dipping sauce and lemon wedges. Good marination gives restaurant-like flavor and tender texture. Mix yogurt, 1 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp garam masala, and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Coat 10 lollipops evenly and let them rest for at least 2 hours or overnight for deeper flavor. Add 1 tsp lemon juice just before frying to brighten flavors. Pat dry lightly before dredging to help the flour adhere and create a crisp outer crust. Quick recommendation: on another note, read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for storing recipe collections and reading while cooking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more step-by-step recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's get back to the video. Use medium-high oil temperature near 180 degrees C to seal juices and create a crisp crust. Shallow fry for 3 minutes per side, then finish in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C for 6 minutes. For extra crunch, double coat with a light egg wash and season breadcrumbs before frying. Drain on a rack to keep crispness and rest 2 minutes before serving. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve with your preferred dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.